Well, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're working on the 2017 Honda Ridgeline Black Edition. Unfortunately, we have a little bit of an issue going on with the Black Edition. And as you can see here, right there is our issue. The issue is the wiring harness that supplies power and feedback to the backup camera here has snapped. This is a pretty common issue actually unfortunately for the Honda Ridgeline 2017-2018 model years due to some faulty wiring that goes through the bottom of the bumper and connects into a plug-in harness and then goes up to the camera. So today we're going to have to repair this while we wait for another harness to come in. So we're going to do a wire repair on the wire harness just to get us by until I can order a new one. Since this is such a common issue, I really don't think that a temporary repair is the way I want to go. I want to go with an OEM repair. So what we're going to have to do is cut the tie downs here and see if we can get enough of that wire harness exposed so that I can do an actual repair. I apologize for not being able to show the entire process, but it is kind of complicated to get a good camera angle that will show you what I'm talking about as I'm doing it. But just know that you can see here we have two wires that are broken. We have a peach wire and we have a white wire. The white wire definitely has been broken for some time because we have the kind of green pus that you get with copper. When it hits salt, it kind of oxidizes and you get this green looking substance on it. So that one's been broken for a while. I think what recently broke, and today was probably the day because that's when the camera stopped working, was the peach wire. Now we have some noticeable breaks within the other wiring, but they're actually not broken. It's just the wire shielding. So what we're going to do with that is we're going to tape that back up and we're just going to repair the two wires that are broken here. To do that, I highly recommend that you take the electrical tape that's used to hold it in place around this plastic piece, which kind of clips into the tailgate itself, and just go ahead and remove the wiring loom from that. You're going to have to pull back some of the electrical tape from the factory, and I also put a slit into this wire loom here so that I could pull out the other ends of the wiring harness, which are right here. For additional ease of repair, I've pulled this out from the body, and to do that you'll need a tool like this, which is a body panel removal tool, but it also helps in various different ways when you've got like these little plastic clips that you want to remove and not break. So hopefully I can just clip that back into where it goes after I do the repair here, and then re-electrical tape everything, and we're on our way with a 50-cent repair on this until we get the actual wiring harness. Just completed the wire repair here, so I took some solder and soldered the connections together, and then used some heat shrink around it to give it some protection. Now this will probably hold up for quite a while, honestly, but this isn't a factory repair, so we want to get a factory repair here, especially since the wires below it are already showing some signs of breakage. So now, before we put everything back together, we want to test and make sure that the truck backup camera actually works. So let's see what happens. Go ahead and restore the connection here. There we are. Okay. Let's see if we have a backup camera. We have a backup camera. So there we are. Now it's pointing down at the mats. And that's how you repair your backup camera on your 2017-2018 Honda Ridgeline if you face the notorious tailgate wiring harness issue. So now we just have to put this all back together. I would say the total job that it took to do it to this point thus far was approximately 15 minutes. Pretty quick. I mean, these panels pop off pretty quick. The longest time was actually doing the wire repair and making sure it was done right, so that it'll be waterproof to some degree, or water protected from some degree, and then obviously we'll get the proper part in stock.